According to Pavlik and McIntosh, social media continues to be defined and redefined by scholars, professionals, and the press. It is hard to find a description on what everyone agrees, partly because the tools for social media change with the advances in technologies, and popular sites or trends touted as the next big thing seem to lose popularity almost as quickly as they enter the limelight. Social media plays a major role in our everyday lives, and it is essential in interacting with one another on a day-to-day basis. In my opinion, social media is the interaction between people on different internet-based websites or applications. The interaction could range from personal messaging between two people to sharing news with a public audience. There are many different means and reasons to use social media, and it is very prevalent in our everyday lives. There are many different means of social communication. According to Pavlik and McIntosh, the main types of social media is email, discussion boards and web forums, chat rooms, blogs and microblogs, wikis, and social networking sites. The major form of social media is the different networking sites. The top 10 media sites and applications according to Social Media Today is Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Xing, RenRen, Google+, Disqus, LinkedIn Pulse, Snapchat, and Tumblr. Many business owners use these different sites and applications when they're looking to hire people. The concepts behind social networking aren't anything new. Ever since there has been humans, we have been looking for new ways to connect, network, and promote with one another, but they've taken on an entirely new meaning and momentum in the digital age. Where we have used to use handshakes, word-of-mouth referrals, and stamp letters, today's relationships are often begun and developed on LinkedIn, Google+, and Facebook. These different social media sites are used in many different ways. Personal use to keep in touch with your friends and families that live far away, and for businesses to use to help get hired. Unfortunately, there have been negative circumstances that have occurred while using these different social media websites. Pavlik and McIntosh raise an interesting question. Are your Facebook friends really your friends? How do you differentiate between Facebook friends and your friends you actually regularly see or talk to? Using the term friend to refer to people one has never talked to or met face-to-face stretches the definition of the word and can produce problems. There have been many different scenarios of people using Facebook that pretend to be someone they are not. This concept is called catfish. This is such a common thing that MTV has made a show to show victims that are being catfished. A famous case is the Notre Dame football player Manti Te'o, who was catfished. He thought he met a very nice girl on the internet. She told him she was injured in a car accident and then later died of cancer. It turned out there was no girlfriend. Te'o was housed into thinking he had a girlfriend. This notion of catfishing occurs far too often, and it is so easy to do this because so many people are involved in internet dating. This leads into the amount of cyberbullying that occurs on these different social media sites and applications. Cyberbullying can occur on any electronic device. It includes sending threatening, intimidating, or harassing messages to another person. Cyberbullying is very common that occurs between teenagers. Cyberbullying can be very damaging to adolescents and teens. It can lead to anxiety, depression, and even suicide. Also, once things are circulated on the internet, they may never disappear, surfacing at later times to renew the pain of cyberbullying. Girls are more commonly involved in cyberbullying according to bullyingstatistics.org. Over half of adolescents have been bullied online, and about the same have engaged in online bullying as well. Cyberbullying can have some lasting impacts. Cyberbullying can lead to depression and even worse, suicide. 1 in 10 teenagers attempt suicide because of cyberbullying. Many children cannot cope with some of the emotional things that occur in social media.